everybody, welcome to our Topps Tier 1 case break. We got Topps Tier 1 in the house. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 boxes. That's a whole case of Topps Tier 1. Let's get it on like Cheech and Chong. Boom, boys. Start with the heavy box. Oh, Lord Jesus. I don't know which one's the heavy box. Is that the heavy box? Which one's the heavy box? I mean, this one feels heavy. The one that says heavy on it. The back of it. Oh, okay. There we go. That's the first one I picked, boys. It's the first one I picked, boys. I knew what was up. All right, let's go. If you don't know, now you know, baby, baby. If you don't know, now you know, baby, baby. All right, Topps Tier 1. Okay, look at that right there. Yes, sir. Oh, it's just a silver pack. That's just a silver pack, boys. All right, good luck. Make sure to bookmark all up. Okay, yeah, listen to Freedom there. Listen to Freedom there. Ooh, we got a booklet. We got a booklet, boys. Show YouTube land. We got a booklet. All right. All right. We got our boy Trey Turner right here. Oh, nice. Trey Turner for the Phillies. Oh, look at this. Jason Dominguez for the Yankees. 4 of 25. Yes, sir. That's a banger, boys. That's a banger. I like that. Woo. Who got the Yankees? Sal, dude. Look at you. Look at you, Sal. Sal, congratulations. Jason Dominguez, 4 of 25. I'll put the tabs on these later. Okay. Oh, nice. Ozzie Albies, Drake Baldwin, Jay Bland. Make some noise, baby. 47 of 99 relic, dude. Look at that bad boy. Oh, that's a whole trick-or-treat bag of Almond Joys. Woo, baby. Paddock is dancing in the sheets. Paddock went to bed, but right now he's dancing in the sheets. Oh. Oh. Like Andrew Dice Clay used to go, oh. Dude, that's a nice card right there, baby. All right. Oh, Sandy Alcantara. Brad Ball, we got to talk. We got to talk, Brad Ball. Woo, hope not. Coin flip is so. Got you. Grabbing 240. That's okay. I got those right over here, I think. All right. Sandy Alcantara, 8 of 99. Brad Ball, you got to talk to me about this, brother. We're friends, man. We're friends. Look at that. Now the Marlins all-time strikeout leader for your Florida Marlins. 2 times World Series champions, hottest team in baseball right now. No, that's not thick enough. This is the right thickness. Come and get down with the thickness. Okay, I'm keeping Sandy Alcantara up there. I don't care what we get. All right, here's the booklet, boys. Now, is it okay to open this? Is it okay to open this? Yes, okay, cool. All right, here we go. Oh, Bobby Witt, baby! Who got the Royal? Sal, my pal. Woo! Titus, yes, Titus is a first pack. No Blue Jays. Okay, Bobby Witt. Boys, y'all like that? Bobby Witt, Tier 1 booklet. That is beautiful, dude. That is beautiful. Okay. All right. Do I put it in a thick sleeve right here like this? Numbered, let me see. Yes, numbered 7 of 10. Bobby Witt, 7 of 10. I'll open up one more time so you guys can look at it. Yes, sir. Look at that. Does that look good, boys? Boom. 7 of 10. 7 of 10. All right. Dude, I mean, what kind of card is this? This is crazy. This is crazy. This is a book, boys. Well, Sal's got something to read. That it won't fit in there, that's for sure. All right. Here we go. Thick might not fit. Tops get going the way of the sticker. All right. So, should I just raw dog it in here? Wait a second. All right. All right. 240 point, right? 240 point. Set it to the side for now. Okay, thank you. That's what I wanted to hear. All right, set it to the side. I'm going to put this Trey Turner in there. Trey Turner. And nobody said anything about no books. They said cards. I got a job breaking cards, not breaking books, boys. Not breaking books. What the hell's going on? Yeah, you can't top load that. They make booklet. Heard, okay. Won't touch it. Won't touch it. All right. Okay, boys. Back when I collected cards, just a piece of cardboard. They actually came in wax. You had to worry about a wax stain and getting pantyhoses and rubbing it off. Hoagie man, back me up, bro. Back me up. Stuff's crazy nowadays. Okay, boys, here we go. Pack number 2. Oh, these are Cam Schlittler. Dude, Brad Ball's on a damn roll. Who's that? Wait a second, Yankees. That's Sal, baby. Sal's on a roll, dude. Cam Schlittler, 20 of 99. 20 of 99. Oh, we got Jason Dominguez for the Yankees. Sal, buddy, 1 of 20. 1 of 20, dude. That is a badass booklet. Right there. Jason Dominguez, 1 of 20, Sal. You're too deep, bro. You're too deep. All right, let me see what we got right here. Oh, this is a nice card. Larry Walker. The Stalker. Larry Walker, baby. There we go. Look at that. They need to make some Todd Helton stuff for the Rockies, man, so it'll sell. 12 of 199. 12 of 199. Okay, behind Jason Dominguez, boom, Byron Buxton, number 32 of 99 for the Minnesota, wait a second, the Washington Nationals, right? Is that a Nationals? All right. Minnesota Twins. Freedom, where were you at, bro? Where were you at? Byron Buxton for the Twins. There we go. That's a nice relic. That is 32 of 99, boys. 32 of 99. $32 of 99. Put the Jason Dominguez in there. Larry Walker, the Stalker Larry Walker. Larry Walker was good, boys. Okay, Cam. Let's find you a little nice one to fit into. Cam Schlittler. One of my favorite names to say here on the show. All right. Tier 1, boys. We're pulling Tier 1. All right, let's get box number 3 going. Thank you to everybody buying in on our show here. We appreciate you. All right. Oh, we got Dylan Cruz on the back. Hometown boy, Freddie Freeman. 125 of 125, the final print. That's cool. The Dodgers, that's going to go to Brad Ball, y'all. Oh, Raleigh Fingers auto. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, boys. That's a beaut. That's a beaut. Rome, what do you think of that? JH315, who got the A's? Who got, oh, Brad Ball, y'all. Brad Ball, y'all. Shot call. Brad Ball back to back. That's what Brad Ball does. He gets back to back cards, dude, all the time. Oh, James Wood, Dylan Cruz. Dylan Cruz, hometown boy, Lake Mary, Florida. 89 of 199. Yo, that's a nice card. That's a nice card. Heck yeah. See. This is one of our last teams to go. The Nationals, dude. Power Alley. You like that card, dude? Power Alley. Where you at? You in here? Did somebody tag Power Alley? I want him to see this. He got a Lake Mary boy. He got a Lake Mary boy. I think that Power Alley guy lives in Florida. I'm not sure. And here we go. Oh, and a Alejandro Kirk for the Blue Jays. Titus. Happy birthday, Titus. Happy birthday. Titus's birthday's tomorrow. He wanted a big card. You like this? Is this good? Is this good, Titus? You like it? 34 of 99, dog. 34 of 99, dog. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Got some Blue Jay blessings. Titus, happy birthday. I hope that helps the celebration tomorrow. He's the big 5-0, baby. He's the big 5-0. Boom. 50 and looking nifty. Look at that, boys. All right. Okay. Let's put this James Wood, Dylan Cruz. This James Woods, Dylan Cruz is a nice card. That's a nice card. Okay, put this Raleigh Fingers for Brad. Brad Ball's a good-looking card. You going to put that in the PC? Is that going in the PC? Is that going in the PC, Brad Ball? That Raleigh Fingers? I think it should, bro. That's a living legend. I got a bobblehead of him. I always liked old Raleigh Fingers. You know, the girls called me that in high school. Raleigh Fingers. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Okay, boys. Freddie Freeman. Let me get that 2 milli right there. For the Dodgers. Okay, let's go next box. Boys, we having a good time? Xander, what's up? Going in the box and saying, dang, Brad Ball. That should be a PC, bro. That should be a PC, dude. Does Brad Ball even have a PC? And I ain't talking about a personal computer. Okay, Bryce Eldridge. This guy is a beast. This guy is a beast. I watched that guy play the other day, man. He wasn't joking around. Here we go. Oh, nice. Johan Santana for the Twins. And I bet somewhere, somehow in TBB, Whatnot Land, Freedom is hating life right now. He could have had the Twins. 5 of 49, Johan Santana. All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to put this down. Boom. Mike Trout, scream and shout. Mike Trout, scream and shout, leaving no doubt that TBB is the place to be when it goes with cards that go hard. I'm talking 84 of 199 looking fine. We're doing pack ripping. We're doing champagne sipping. Woo, that's what TV does on a regular basis, baby. TBB's the place to be. Oh, that Mike Trout. Who got that? Who got the Angels? Cameron. Don Juan Cameron. I think this might be a buyback card here at TBB. I got a feeling. I got a feeling this might be a buyback card. Cameron set him up for a buyback card, boys. All right, put Bryce Eldridge away. Freedom, how you feel about seeing that Johan Santana, bro? How you feel about seeing that Johan Santana? All right, we got more cards to go in this pack, boys. We ain't done. Oh, Mike Trout again. Double Mike Trouts. Yo, Cameron, dude. Back-to-back Trouts. This is 69 of 149. This is the one I would keep. 69 of 149. This is the one I would keep. This is the one I would keep, dude. 69 of 149. The other one was 84. Keep this one. The first number, the last number, 69 are always the most valuable when it comes to cards. I would keep this one, Cam. This might be a double buyback program for TBB. We got some Mike Trout fans around here. I have no idea, Vinny. I just know it's special. Guys, check out our upcoming breaks, and I think we got a Ranger coming up, boys. Boom. Byron Scott. That's a Philly. That's for the Phillies. 21 of 99 relic. 21 of 99 relic. Oh, Byron Scott. We got a Philly. We sold the Phillies for cheap tonight. Somebody got a deal, boys. Paddock got a deal. Paddock's always getting the deals. Okay. Let's put this Johan Freedom, how you feeling about this Johan Santana? Do you like? We got two twins already, bro. We pulled two twins already. How you feeling about that, big dog? $1 starts tomorrow, boys. All right. I'm going to get here early and take pictures. I ain't taking pictures tonight, but I'm getting here early to take them. Okay. Yoshinobu Yamamoto. That's a base card. Boom, Jake Mangum. 60 of 99 for the Tampa Bay Devil Rays. Brett, you got you a biggin', buddy. You got you a biggin'. Boom. Oh, Bobby Witt, 5 of 10 for the Royals. Sal, my pal. Woo, baby. There we go. There we go. Bobby Witt. Big hit Bobby Witt, 5 of 10. That's what you get here at TBB, folks. That's what you get here at TBB. We make dreams come true, one card, one dream at a time. Make sure you bookmark us because this is the place to be. Behind him, oh, dude, Jackson Merrill. 17 of 95 for the Padres. Oh, that's sweet, dude. 17 of 99 for the Padres. Dashby. Big card, Bo. Big card, Bo. Let's put this Bobby Witt away. That's a good-looking card, dude. All right. Let me get these 2 milli opened up here. All right, boys. All right. Is that a 2 milli? Is that a 3 milli? Let's try. Oh, it's a 2 milli, yeah. Boom, Bobby Witt. Okay, Jake Mangum. All right. Got some nice Bobby Witt. Sal, dude, you're killing it right now, Sal. That's why Sal's a regular here at TBB. That's why Sal's a regular, because he knows we pull big cards and go hard. All right. Boom. All right. Cam Smith, 67 of 99. We had a Cam Smith giveaway earlier today. All right. Oh, Max Fried, 3 of 99. Sal again. Sal is on fire right now with TBB, baby. 3 of 99. Look at that. Sal, how you feeling? Robert Hassel III for the Nats. Power Alley again. Power Alley again. I'm talking 168 of 299. Robert Hassel III. Who's behind him? Oh, Tier 1, Carlos Correa. 191 of 199 for the Astros. We hit 2 Astros in this pack. Roland. My boy, rolling. Boom, that's a big one with T. Higgins. That's a big one with T. Higgins. Look at my boy, Dan the man. Dan, drink you a cold kombucha. It's time to celebrate. Drink you a cold kombucha. It's time to celebrate, brother. All right, all right. Cam Smith, put him away. All right. Max Fried. All right, Robert Hassel. That's a good looking card right there. I like the way that looks. It's a good looking card. It's a good photo too by the photographer. I like that photo. All right. Let's go. All right, boys. Oh, we got a Ray on the back. We got a Ray for Brett on the back. Oh, Jacob Mizorowski. That's a good-looking card. This guy is an absolute beast right now. Looking like Nolan Ryan out there. Oh, here we go. We got a big card coming up. Boom, for the Angels. Simo, a.k.a. Christian Moore, a.k.a. College World Series champion. Here, I'm going to put this on the one thing here. Face cam. Boom. There we go. Sometimes they like to freeze up, though. Okay, we're still good. If you put them on both those Sony cams. All right, boom. There we go. All right, boys, how we doing? All right. We like that CMO, 36 of 49. 36 of 49 on the CMO. Cameron, that's a big card, dude. All right. Boom, nice. Carlos Beltran, 1 of 5 for the Royals. Sal, that's Brad. Wait a second. Sal did it again. Sal did it again. Sal's having a big night here at TBB. Sal is having the kind of night you dream of, but you're awake. Here we go. Who's the next one? Oh, Miguel Garcia for the Royals. Sal back-to-back, 76 of 149. 76 of 149. Sal, are you partying? Here we go. Oh, for the Rays, Yandy Diaz. Brett again with a nice Ray. This is 15 of 25. Yandy and feeling dandy because right now Brett wants to have some candy to celebrate. Let's go, bro. Brett, I'm happy for you, dude. You're having a good night with the Rays, brother. You're having a good night with the Rays. All right, let's see. This feels like a 5-y. This feels like a 5-y. There we go. Feels like a 5-y. All right, I'll start making stacks right here. Mizorowski. Let's put you away, big dog. See more money, more problems. Carlos Beltran, 1 of 5. That's a good-looking card. I like that. Sal, dude, you're having a big night here at TBB, baby. I have a feeling we're going to see you come back again. And Miguel Garcia for the KC Royals. That's back-to-back hits right there for Sal. All right, let's go box. How we feeling, boys? We're halfway done. Oh, nice Jacob Wilson to start us off, boys. Nice Jacob Wilson, 45 to 50. Craig BGO for the Astros. Roland is having a good night. For only having one team, right? Roland only has, he has 2 teams. He has the Rangers, he has the Texas teams. Roland and the Astros. Right now, Roland is rolling. Look at that. That's a nice Biggio, 10 of 25, old school. Oh, nice. Chandler Simpson of the Rays. Again, Brett with the Rays, 30 of 199, boys. 30 of 199. Brett having a good day. He had a good day on Spin the Wheel, too. Tier 1, Hunter Green. Hunter Green, but he plays for the Reds. Isn't it ironic, don't you think? 97 of 99, Tier 1, Hunter Green. For the Reds, Paddock got him a red, boys. Paddock got him a red. All right, Paddock, you got your red, buddy. You happy? That Craig Biggio up there. Old school, dog. Old school. All right. We got 4 more boxes to go, boys. All right, all right. Big timing. Come on, let's get some heat here. Let's get some heat here. All right, Corbin Carroll for the D-backs. There you go, Cameron. Corbin Carroll for the D-backs. Nice. Parker Messick for the guards. Power Alley again. Who got the guards? That's Paddock, bro. Thought that was the Nats for a second. There you go, Paddock. This is 67 of 299. Boom, for the Padres, Mason Miller. There you go, Dashby. You got the camo one too, dude. That's the camo, bro. That's the camo jersey. Dude, nice. 48 to 49. And boom, Junior Caminero. Brett and Sal are killing it right now. The Rays, Yankees, and Royals are having a damn day. 190 of 199. Is Brett in the house? Is he watching this? Brett, you see all these nice cards I'm pulling for you? Junior Caminero, 190 of 199. All right, boys, we're down to 3 boxes, and then there were 3. 2 millies, 3 millies. Yeah, these 3 millies are popular with this brand. But as Ethan would say, 120s. Give me some 120s. Three boxes left, boys. 3 boxes. Also, this is a light pack right here. Light pack. Maybe there's 1 or 2 bangers in here. 120 point. Oh, Ken Griffey, nice. Power Alley, 15 of 99. Ken Griffey. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Larry Walker. That's our second Larry Walker. One with the Rockies, one with the Expos. That'll be a national. That'll go to Power Alley. 43 of 99. 43 of 99. Larry Walker. We called him the Big Bat Stalker. Oh, this is a beautiful card. That's a beautiful card. My boy Hoagie Man got it. My boy Hoagie Man got it. Boom, Eddie Murray, the greatest switch hitter in the history of baseball. 25 of 49. Wow, okay. That's a sweet one. Carlos Correa again. This is the bat relic. Dan the Man, a.k.a. Roland, 45 of 99. And boom, Geraldo Perdomo, 38 of 49. Cameron with the D-backs. Cameron with the D-backs. Dude, that Eddie Murray's not. Is Hoagie Man watching? But yeah, he's better than Mickey Mantle, dude. Come on. Dude, Mickey Mantle faced the pitchers that was in Eddie Murray's era. Come on, man. Get out Mickey Mantle, dude. Come on. Oh, my God. Mickey Mantle. The guy played when it was black and white TV, man. How good could he be? Black and white TV. Anybody that played sports in black and white was just mid by today's standards. Eddie Murray would go to Mickey Mantle's era and just kill it. That's wild, Mickey Mantle. Jeez. I mean, you got to respect it because, you know, it laid the bed for the game. Goats of baseball. Yeah, because it was the 1960s and 50s, dude. Eddie Murray go to that era, it'd be game over. Y'all can get mad at me if you want. But if you played in black and white TV days, you wouldn't make it in today's game. It didn't start until the 80s. Nothing started until the 80s. Now, a guy from the 80s could play nowadays, no problem. That Eddie Murray's good looking, dude. Mickey Mantle, sit down, bro. You ain't nothing to Eddie Murray. You ain't nothing. Hoagie Man, back me up on this. These boys don't know who Eddie Murray was. Putting Eddie Murray right here, front and center. How y'all like that? How y'all like that? Yeah. What's offsides, dude? It's like hockey. I don't know. Easy, pal. Yeah, Jackie Robinson, dude. What big deal. Let him play 80s on up. We'll see how good he is. Dan Marino can play in any era and throw for 5,000, 6,000 yards. That's a fact. Johnny Unitas could. All right. Oh, Mike Trout leads the way. Mike Trout leads the way. Cameron. Got him a Trout. Isaac Collins for the Brewers. Boom. Paddock got him a Brewer. This is 25 of 299. Look at that. Isaac Collins. All right, Isaac, who you hiding behind you? Boom. For the Red Sox, 15 of 199. Power Alley, Christian Campbell. He scored a Christian Campbell in the inception the other night. That was a real nice card. Christian Campbell, 15 of 199. And, oh, Zach Neto again. He's got on the shorts, bro. 91 of 199. Cameron for the Angels. Cameron, the Don Juan of card pulls. Look at that, bro. Angels are hitting pretty good tonight. I'll say that much. You got you a SEMO, bro. A Christian Moore. Let me stack these up. You got two Angels in that stack. Isaac Collins. All right. Need a Cardinal? Yep. Yes, it does. LOL. Promote the show for tomorrow. Guys, tomorrow we're going to be having dollar auction starting at 11 o'clock. Come on in. Freedom, do that for me, man. My voice is about shot, dude. I'm struggling. Guys, we're going to be having shows all week. We're going to pick up the tempo here at TBB. Last box magic, let's go. Chaz Jism Jr. to start us out. 61 of 99. Oh, Kenny Lofton for the Braves. There you go, Jay Bland, a legend. 25 of 49. One of the best leadoff hitters of all time. And boom, Moises Ballesteros for the Cubs. Power Alley, 48 of 75. 48 of 75. All right, here's our last card, boys. Let's go hard. Boom. Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. 11 of 99. Paddock. There you go, dog. There you go, bro. All right, boys. That was a good little break right there. We also got a case hit with the Bobby Witt. That Bobby Witt was nice. All right, boys, we're going to do a little wrap-up. Don't forget we got a show tomorrow. Freedom will tell you all about it. We're going to be doing some more Tier 1 tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Make sure you follow our Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff, TBB_ baseball _ card breaks. There's some just better yet, follow Grand Slam Cowboy and I will lead you to the TBB. It's just a lot to say. A lot to say on here. Okay. All right, boys, there we go. We want to do a little review? A little review? Okay. Max Fried, 3 to 99. Jackson Merrill, 17 to 99. Larry Walker, 12 to 199. Kenny Lofton, 25 to 49. Moises Ballesteros, 48 to 75. Jose Ramirez, 11 to 99. 15 to 199, Tristan Campbell. Isaac Collins, 125 to 199. Zach Neto, 91 to 199. Gerardo Perdomo, 38 to 49 for the D-backs. Again, Larry Walker, 43 of 99 for the Nationals. Carlos Correa, 45 of 99. Nice card right here with the camo jersey. Mason Miller, 48 of 49. Parker Messick, 67 of 299. Junior Caminero, 190 of 199. Platinum Blasters, boys. Is that what we're doing tomorrow? We got Chandler Simpson, 30 to 199. Tier 1, 97 to 99, Hunter Green. Miguel Garcia, 76 to 149. Carlos Beltran, 1 to 5. That's a sweet card. I'm putting that in our top 5. Christian Moore, SEMO, 36 to 49 for the Halos. And your University of Tennessee Vols, your 2024 World Series champions. Yandy Diaz, 15 to 25 for the Rays. All right, boys. Let's get our big dogs right here. This is a top 5 card. Eddie Murray. Eddie Murray. Let's see the back of this. That's machine signature card. That's a sweet card, boys. That's a sweet card. What do we think? Interested in that Messick at Paddock. We're doing some dealing, boys. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. This Craig Biggio sure is sweet. I'm thinking about this Biggio. I really like this. 10 to 25. Dan, that's a good-looking card, buddy. Put that in the PC for the kids. Dan, put that in the PC for the kids. Yamaraz 52. We got a dollar show again tomorrow. Love to have you come join us. Raid someone. We want to do the review or no? All right, I'm raiding someone after. Okay. Jake Mangum 60 to 99. Oh, right here. This is probably one of our top 3, top 2 cards. Bobby Witt. Probably going to be the greatest shortstop of this century when it's all said and done. 5 to 10. This guy's an absolute beast, dude. That's a legendary player. Okay, Bryson Scott, 21 to 99. Good looking card. Jason Dominguez. This is a 1 to 20. 1 to 20 for the Yankees. Robert Hassel III, 168 to 299. Another Tier 1 Carlos Correa. 191 to 199, that's rolling. We got a nice twin right here, Johan Santana, a beast, 5 to 49. Oh, this is a good-looking card. I like this one. Raleigh Fingers, 57 to 149. Look at that. Okay, let's see. We got these cards back-to-back. 2 Mike Trouts for the price of 1. This is what happens here at TBB. You're like, what other card show gives me back-to-back Mike Trouts? This show does. This show does. TBB. Make sure you bookmark us. An 84 to 199, and the one that Cam's going to keep, probably the 69 to 149. Let's see. All right, let's look here. We got another Jason Dominguez, 4 to 25. We got a Alejandro Kirkman, 34 to 199. We got a Byron Buxton, another twin. Freedom's like, oh man. 32 to 99. We got the dual. James Wood, Dylan Cruz, 89 to 199. That's a good looking card. Power Alley, got a big one there. See, Ozzie Albies and Drake Baldwin, 47 to 99. And probably our second best card tonight, Sandy Alcantara, 8 of 99 for your Florida Marlins, your two-time World Series champions. And this is probably our best get tonight. Let me pick this up very carefully. 7 to 10. Bobby Witt booklet. Tier 1. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. 1 Hobby Platinum, 1 Inception, $1 starts tomorrow. Yes, is that a jersey match? I'm going to quit opening it. I'm going to quit opening it. Sorry, guys. All right, boys. Y'all have a lovely night. Let's start a raid. Thank you very much.